With me tonight. Final offer.
You haven't made an offer.
A new kingdom. Eternal value.
What's the pay?
The pay?
Yes, the income, the daily rate, housing arrangements, what you have that all worked out?
There is no pay. At least not in the earthly sense. I'm a rabbi. And I'm asking you to follow me.
It was nice meeting you.
And be part of changing the world. Become part of a family, not of relatives, but of blood bonds just the same. Spend your days with some of the most interesting, unfettered, funny, driven, brave, nurturing, smart, strong, passionate, fiery, loyal, loving, imperfect people to ever walk the earth. You will see. And do things you cannot imagine. You'll be adored, hated, needed, lost, and found. You will live everywhere and nowhere. You will lose friends. You will lose all your friends. And your own life. You will go to the ends of the earth. And you'll be part of the beginning of the greatest movement on earth. People will say you were a fool, and that I was a fool, and that it was all a lie. They'll call us heretics, and liars, and frauds. Others will celebrate and venerate your memory and call you a saint. But none of that's the point. The point is that you will have said yes to the world's no. That you hoped against hope and believed